Welcome back to my channel JBR Online Classes. Please subscribe my channel and press the bell icon.
Hello students, now welcome back to my channel JBR Online Classes. This is a part 2 video of the section formula from the chapter section formula and exercise 11. Now today I am going to start from sum number 6. In sum number 6, the line segment joining A minus 3 1 as a coordinate of point A, that is equal to minus 3 1, and B, here B equal to 5 minus 4, is a diameter of a circle. Okay, so suppose that is a circle, here point A and that is point B, and which is a diameter of a circle. Okay, now suppose C is the center. So diameter of circle whose center is C. Now find the coordinates of the point C. So that means if A and B are 2 points on the circumference and here C is the center, that means C is the midpoint of that circle of that diameter. Okay, so C is the midpoint of that diameter. So to find out the coordinates of C, you have to apply the formula of the midpoint. That means minus 3 plus 5 by 2, and second one 1 minus 4 by 2. Then you will get the coordinates of point C. So now sum number 7. In sum number 7, the midpoint of a line segment joining the points 3m 6 and minus 4 3n is 1 2m minus 1. So suppose this is a line segment. Here the first point A, the coordinate of the point is 3m 6 and the point B, that is minus 4 3n. So here the midpoint is the midpoint of this line segment, suppose C, and that is equal to 1 2m minus 1. It is a coordinate of point C. Now you have to find out the value of m and n. So as C is the midpoint of A and B, so by the formula we can write 3m, that one plus that one, by 2, that equal to this one, and second y1 plus y2, so 6 plus 3n by 2, that equal to 2m minus 1. So now in this equation 3m minus 4, that equal to 2, so 3m equal to 6, so m equal to 2. So the value of m equal to 2. Now the second equation, in second equation 6 plus 3n, now if 2 multiply with, that equal to 4m minus 2. So here 3n equal to, now 4m, so m equal to 2, so 4 into m, that is 8 minus 2, and here plus 6, that will be minus 6. So 3n equal to 0, that means n equal to 0. So the value of m and n, 2 and 0. Now the next one, sum number 8. In sum number 8, the coordinates of the midpoint of a line segment PQ. So here the coordinates of the midpoint line segment P and Q, where the coordinates of P are minus 3 2 and coordinates of Q, you have to find these coordinates. Now here the coordinate of the midpoint, that equal to, suppose R is the midpoint, so 1 minus 2. So here 1 minus 2 is the midpoint of that one. So if you let that the coordinate of Q, that equal to xy, so then minus 3 plus x by 2, that equal to 1, and second one 2 plus y by 2, that equal to minus 2. Now from these two equations you can find out the value of x and y. Here x equal to 5 and y equal to minus 6. Now sum number 9. In sum number 9, AB is a diameter of a circle. So here AB is the diameter of the circle with center C, and the coordinate of C equal to minus 2 5. Okay, now next one, the point coordinate of point A equal to 3 minus 7. Now first you have to find out the length of AC. So to find out the length of AC, that means we have to find out the length of this one. So here AC equal to root over, the formula is x1 minus x2, as x1 equal to 3, x2 equal to minus 2. So 3 minus minus plus 2, x1 minus x2 whole square, plus y1 means minus 7, y1 minus y2 whole square. That is the formula of the length between 2 points. So here now root over 3 plus 2 5 20, so 5 square 25, and here minus 7 minus 5 minus 12, so that equal to 144, and that equal to root over 169, so that equal to 13. That is the first answer. The length of AC equal to 13 units. Write in here 13 units. Now next you have to find out the coordinates of B. So suppose let the coordinates of B be x, y. So here as A, B and C is the midpoint, so 3 plus x by 2 that equal to minus 2, and minus 7 plus y by 2 that equal to 5. Okay, so from that equation you will get the value of x and y. Here x equal to minus 7 and y equal to 17. So coordinate of B equal to minus 7 and 17. So here sum number 10. In sum number 10, find the reflection image of the point plus 5 minus 3 in the point minus 1 3. So as let the coordinates of a point which is given, that is plus 5 minus 3, b the point B here, so let the point B be xy. So the coordinate of point B xy in the point minus 1 3. Okay, the coordinates of the image of the point A B point in the point minus 1 3, then the point minus 1 3 will be the midpoint of AB. As this one is the midpoint of AB, that means x1 plus x2, so 5 plus x by 2 that equal to minus 1, and second one minus 3 plus y by 2 that equal to 3. So from that, here x equal to, you will get minus 7 and y equal to 9. So the final answer is minus 7 and 9 is the coordinate of that point. Now the next one, sum number 11. In sum number 11, a line segment joining a point A, where the point A is minus 1 5 by 3 and the point B is divided into 1:3 ratio. So here the line segment A and B, the coordinate of B equal to A comma 5, and it's divided into 1:3 ratio. So 1:3 ratio, that means M is to N equal to 1:3 at point P. So that is the point P where the line segment AB intersect y axis. Calculate the value of A and find the coordinates of P. So suppose let P be the point and the coordinates of P equal to xy. Now as the coordinates of the point P equal to xy, and which is divided this line segment as in the ratio 1:3, that means here x equal to, you can apply the formula 1 into A plus 3 into minus 1 as mx2 plus mx1 divided by m plus n, and that equal to A minus 3 by 4. One y, so y according to the formula m y2, that means 1 into 5 m y2 plus n y1, n equal to 3, y1 equal to 5 by 3 by 1 plus 3. So that equal to 5 plus 5, so that means 10 by 4. So 10 by 4 means 5 by 2. So as x equal to A minus 3 by 4 and y equal to 5 by 2. So now as AB is the point, AB intersects y axis at point P, that means x equal to 0. That means the coordinate of that point, so x coordinate will be 0. So the value of x we get A minus 3 by 4 and that equal to 0. So if this one equal to 0, then A equal to 4. Sorry, A equal to 3, not 4. Then A equal to 3. That is the first one. The answer of A equal to 3. Now you have to find out the value of the coordinate of point Pxy. So as x equal to 0, so the coordinate will be 0 comma, and here the next one is y. So value of y equal 5 by 2. So coordinate of the point will be 0 5 by 2. That is the second one. Now the next one, sum number 12. Sum number 12 hints are given in your book. So I hope you can solve this problem. So now 13:1. So 13:1, in what ratio does the point 5 4 divide the line segment joining the points 2 1 and the second one 7 6? Okay, so now you have to find out the ratio. Suppose the ratio will be m is to n. Okay, now m is to n and the point divide with this line segment, that is 5 4. 5 4 is the coordinate of that point which is divide this line segment 2 1 7 6 by m is to n ratio. So according to the problem, m into x2, that means 7, plus n into x1, that equal to 2 by m plus n, and that equal to 5. Okay, this one. So here 7m plus 2n, 7m plus 2n, that equal to 5m plus 5n. Now next one, 7m minus 5m, that equal to 2m, and here 5n minus 2n, that equal to 3n. So m by n equal to 3 by 2. That means the ratio equal to 3:2. So 3:2 is the final answer. Now sum number 14. In sum number 14, a line segment joining A and B. So here the A coordinate 2, 3 it's given, and B coordinate 6, minus 5, intercepted by x-axis at the point K. So let the coordinate of that point K here x comma 0. As the point intersect x-axis, then the y coordinate always be 0. If it intersect y-axis, then x coordinate always be 0. Okay, so now the point K divide the line segment. That means you have to find out also the ratio. You have to also find out the ratio. Suppose its m is to n ratio. So first we have to find out the value of K, that means the coordinates of K, and next we have to find the value of m and n also. So as now m is to n ratio, so that means m x1, so that means m x1 here mx2, so m into 6 plus n x1, that equal to n into 2 divided by m plus n, and that equal to x. And second one m y2, that means minus 5 plus n y1, so 3 divided by m plus 1, and that equal to 0. So there are two equations. First one is this one and second one is this one. Now in this equation there are we cannot solve this equation as there are 3 unknown number, but in this equation we can solve m and n, or we can find out the ratio of m and n. So here minus 5n plus 3n, that equal to 0. So minus 5m equal to minus 3n, minus minus cancel out, so m by n equal to 3 by 5. That means the ratio equal to m is to n, that equal to 3:5. So 3:5 is the ratio. Now we have to find out the coordinate of x also. So to find out the coordinates of x also, suppose as m is to n equal to 3:5, so that means we can here consider m equal to 3k and n equal to 5k, as k is the constant. So here x equal to 6 into 3k, that means 18k, n into 2k, n means 5k, so that means 10k, and here m plus n, that means 3k plus 5k, that equal to 8k. So next one 18k divided by 8k, k cancel out. Now 9 by 4, so here 9 by 4, okay, sorry, it's not 18, it's 28, very sorry. So it's 28, so that means 14 by 4, 14 by 4, then again cancel out by 2, then 7 by 2. So final answer is 7 by 2. That means the coordinate of point K equal to 7 by 2 comma 0. That is the answer.